away we go. I am off to drop off 2 pieces of art to the CEO of Art Bay or Art Bay Online. I got about an hour drive going to a restaurant called Bistro 64 that is not open yet. So since I'm delivering art, it looks like I need to get it down. So here comes Boxed, and here goes Absolutely Undone. The next step is something I've never done before with art, which is get insurance for it, because again, I'm giving it to people I don't really know. Next up, I'm gonna sign these bad boys, and I believe a signature should never take away from the piece, and I'm using a signature I've never done before because I never sign my art. Thus, I was practicing. Looks good to me. I've got to take the art out for some varnish and protectant so that it don't make mistakes with it, or that it doesn't get scuffed and it's some sort of sealant on it to some degree. It smells horrible, by the way. Got to deliver the pieces as well, because that's the point of them getting there. First in, boxed, then absolutely undone. And the art collective that I'm dropping it off to, I'm not too familiar with. It was a recommendation through social media, and I was selected as one of their featured artists.
Baltimore Annapolis Boulevard.
So if I sound a little skeptical, it's because I am. Not every day you just hand over your artwork to someone you're not familiar with in hopes that they do right by it, or at least do what they say they're going to do. So we're just gonna see what happens, I guess. Made it, but whoever I'm supposed to meet isn't here yet, so I'm waiting. So I dropped off the art. Didn't get any footage from the inside because it just felt a little invasive. The outside of the venue isn't that great, but the inside is done up and it makes sense. And I met the owner and I guess head chef Brian. This is what he does for a living. He starts restaurants. He opens up restaurants. That's his business plan, and this is his first restaurant of his own, Bistro 64. They say the venue's supposed to open in a couple weeks, and a few weeks after that, just have an artist-only night at the gallery event. So we'll see. Dropped it off, boxed, and can never think of the word. The title I want to give the other it's a book. The title I want to give the other piece. Absolutely I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sold on it, but I'm sold on the piece of work. So, until next time.